Okay, so the theorem that applies here is the fact that the two bases, this base on the top and this base on the bottom, will average to be what the mid segment is. Okay, so how do you average something? You add them together and divide by 2. So we're going to say, if we write this out, x plus 3 plus 12 equals 3x. No, sorry. Divided by 2 equals 3x. Now, if we add this, we can combine like terms on the top, so we get x plus 15 divided by 2 equals 3x. Now, we could divide both things by 2 and get 1/2 x plus 7.5 equals 3x, but we don't really want to do that. That's a little bit messy. So what we'll do instead is we will multiply both sides by 2. And so we can say 2 parentheses x plus 15 divided by 2 equals 2 parentheses 3x. And what's going to happen there is those will cancel out and you will get x plus 15 equals 6x. Then we can minus x from both sides, subtract x from both sides, and we get 15 equals 5x. And 15 divided by 5, 5 is the coefficient of x, 5x divided by 5, and we get 3 equals x. And what they're asking is find EF. So what we now need to do is plug it back in. EF is 3x. So I'm going to use a different color here. I'm going to say if it's 3x, then it's 3 parentheses 3 or 9. And so the measure of EF equals 9. All right, let's do the other one. Hopefully you see just how this is working. Okay, so let's do the other one. We're going to, let's use green this time. We can say x minus 1 plus 15 divided by 2 equals 2x plus 1. And of course, we combine like terms, we get x plus 14 divided by 2 equals 2x plus 1, and we will multiply both sides by 2 in order to cancel out that 2 on the bottom. To multiply this side by 2 as well. Okay, so that's going to cancel, and you get x plus 14 equals 4x plus 2. Let's subtract x from both sides, and you get 14 equals 3x plus 2. And subtracting 2, we get 12 equals 3x. So 12 divided by 3 equals 3x divided by 3. And we get 4 is equal to x. Okay, and they're looking for EF, which is the mid-segment. So over here on the side, in red, I'm going to take the measure of the mid-segment, 2x plus 1. I'm going to substitute in what we found x to be, is 4, and then we get 8 plus 1, or 9. So we get the measure of EF equals 9. 9 for both of them. All right, we're done.